once we get all the metal, which we did, awesome load, we come back and get their plastic. And so I help him and he helps me. What we really need is someplace to recycle plastic. It doesn't make sense that you can't recycle this stuff somewhere. We bring it straight to the landfill. Wow.
Whole front wheel.
That is so big. Massive.
Going?
Wow. I think it's just massive plastic. But they're saving a lot of metal, but recycle this stuff. Oh, don't get me buried, please. Thank you. We need one really bad, Paul. It doesn't make sense we don't have a recycle center. This is a lot of plastic. Sir.
Oh,
Oh, my favorite dog. Oh, my favorite. Oh, he's just. Frog is peeing all over the place trying to get away. It's like, get me out of here. Squirting pee. Like, grab me, I'm gonna pee on you. Little pretty green frog. Another place to hop. Hold on. Somewhere? What'd you say? Somewhere? What's that? Nothing. I don't need it. Oh, I see him up there. Yeah, nothing we can do about it.
Okay. Alright, just want to check on him. I don't like to kill anything.
Make you feel bad after I ran over him. So all we do, we just stack them up in the front. Then we cross them up and strap it over. After a few trips, we kind of learned how to make so we can get the most out of it. And for the size of them, this seems to be the best. Imagine that, Paul. My word, if it was all steel.
A grill and a grill.
Everything. Golly. They just press them out by the hundreds. Thousands.
Who made this? Who made this design?
The crazy thing is they got a mold for every single one of them. Somewhere. Oh yeah, in China. Yeah, keyword in China, unfortunately. We really need to get the building American. Everything American. Everything. Yeah. Oh, oh. All right, Paul, now. What in the world? What in the world?
Put it somewhere. I'm gonna put it there.
I have to put a couple. When you get down to the end, you need at least 4 or 5 of them that way. You know what I mean? And put all this small stuff underneath. With all this, we can bury it with a couple of these.
Yep, yep.
We don't have a lot left.
No. Oh, go close the tailgate.
Yeah. Yeah. Small, always small. Coming out. Body mount. Oh, that's a mount for step. Brand new. Brand new. Oh.
I thought you were showing it myself.
No. No, that'd be dangerous. Dangerous. Beautiful. Love it. That's where they keep the plastic. They just stack it, stack it, stack it, so we have enough now to cross this thing up. Yeah, yeah, we'll just do that. We'll just keep it like it is and run straps from the front to the back. That'll work too, Paul. Paul, that was a decent idea. That'll work.
Sometimes I do.
Probably even better, to be honest with you.
Sometimes I do.
Probably even better, I'll be honest. Probably the way to do it, Paul.
close to it then. Put the number right there.
Beautiful. Beautiful. We'll leave the rest of that. Yeah, it's good. Good. Like it. All right. We gotta unload. This is what we do. We keep our promises, and they give us, leave their aluminum, we give that. Aluminum still doesn't really give you a bunch, to be honest with you. I did save these though from here because I'll definitely been cutting these off because it's not worth scrapping these things with them on them. You get, I think, less than half the price for it. So double your money, cut the two ends off. Takes no time at all. All right, let's strap it on, Paul. Looking good. Thank you.